our series called The Project Today. I'm Rana and this is my friend Damla.
Hi.
Today, we're going to talk about the FRC off-season events that we helped organize and also volunteered in.
To help the FRC community grow, we organized and volunteered in many FRC off-season events. Throughout the years, due to the effort that we put in, the number of FRC teams in Turkey have skyrocketed from 28 to 53.
Yeah, and also as Integra, we were able to establish almost 15 FRC teams in our country and still mentoring many of them. As Integra, we really give importance to take part in FRC events, and that is why many of our alumni still volunteers in for all the first events.
So that was all for today. Thank you for listening. See you in another day with another project. Bye.